Me the best na mesre. Me nuanom pepe for ne entafo no. Ye ka aseme hia me hyase wo ekosi san dwumadi no so. Dan me catch us obi anko nchi.
Yeah.
Na onko hwe ni krom.
Yeah.
Na on contribute to. Na bibia ntimi nko kama mesre. Ye nuanom pepe for ne entafo ona bedi. So I'm using those words because it's not an insult. That's what I say. That's the whole thing. Omukomunchi, omabedi southern sector. I've gotten the privilege to tour the northern, upper east, upper west Savannah regions. I think omabedi southern sector, they have not been fair to their brothers and sisters. That growing perception that Bibi Pentimi free a TV man temo, which will rubbish it. Because Ushakra from 1992 and in their phone are been for any attitude for a war my gun if I can say na
and so surprisingly
I'm saying
properties are
I'm saying that experience just within some few days.
Yeah.
I think that they have not been fair to them.
Yeah.
It means your tree in all of us. We should bow down our heads in shame. So Nyamiba Naso Obwae Kakra, where we come from, I have Kenya say, as I say, Timiko, in fact, Mashas,
yeah.
The little you can do to also support because Nyamia Mama, Kauka have Kenya,
yeah.
So that perception that a certain tribe is cut for a to trust them, sebi, it's not the best.
Yeah.
Because I will not allow half of us Yamrameda Newtown in their numbers. Ahimachi, no more Joshua, no more Jomonai, no more Matitara, no Mochi. If the nordness here doesn't show care and concern, anyone want to win him,
yeah.
Because Kunti Shaya, so if you are privileged to be in the southern part of Ghana here, you have that influence. I'll bet you the Abua Union Muachiro. Now, but Nanka see that here. Now, Kwan will know media. At the appropriate time, you also be subjected to questions.
Absolutely.
It's messy. I am proud Bulgarian because you're Mobolga to name Frafrakaka, but not even that.
Oh, okay.
Time I will be Bolgano. And I'm a mammy at Ghana food distribution. Sabreno, made it to two and then who am Bana. The North continues to be deprived. And I don't want us to admit and accept to say Debia Dania Tagiomo poorly developed, deprived. That's poorly deprived.
That's a nyakra.
I told you.
What
witnesses so many sebi.
Yeah.
We have looked on. And that's why I me touch on their nerves this morning. Because you cannot sit in Accra, enjoy all the luxury, and watch a poto. You cannot. You cannot let people think that the perception that the idea to trust them you'll be used. No, it's not possible. Bibi Pabet me free northern region. Because already
yeah.
They're from that part of the country.
And it's an indication, say.
Yeah.
Say Bibi Pabi.
Yes. Yes.
I can't mindset.
We should change that mindset.
Yes, it's a mindset.
And we more necessarily the crusade, you know.
Yeah.
So I know paying as much as me this can. I am worried because I refuse to accept to say a certain groupings of people are cut for this kind of lifestyle. It's not true.
Sure.
It's not. Yen no mum pepe for ninta for am won cry. What be the Ghana southern sector? I said nanda na me ko kuti says ko for so mo be ye bi won cry ha mon komachi go ko United kwa mo mani nyina. Very bad. Ko United ko ntimi nyina.
Can ko United.
Yeah, ko for the four. Yan ko yenchi. Ko for the four bebrebe sisi that is New York ni New whatever. Ko United cry ntimi nyina. Enyuma so amungo bibi wono. E dan na tourist attraction.
Yeah. Obi antim.
Yeah. We have to go back and service our regions, our communities, our localities. Because you tell yourself, But for Onyame, council the guy now share a children house what Brahman council teaching in ABC.
Okay, then
yes, so you have to also help. And Abrabon say Onyan Susan so impact.
Positive impact. Yeah, positive impact.
Abrabon no. Yes, Abrabon has a cabras to a four as a dime. Now did you know me no case of care? Now no you know Mankwana would dinner. That's not life. No dear.
Yeah.
And then chance your business can diamonds and God bless you.
And then can say make sure man when God blesses you,
you need
raise your standard of giving, not your standard of living.
And says you can't diamond.
Yeah.
Busa one abakosem okoware. No try your difference now different me. And no ne. Me ko wire cramish slippers.
Kabra ko na she slippers.
Na she slippers. Who can pictures you na she slippers. Na me nima twi said before
na edin na mu edin.
But it's so you focus now.
Yeah.
And should have found me yet the more na more din MSS one. Ti dem make akosi. E ka so na ni more din. Oh, the Ibu Bene. If you go to the north, you change the narrative and be an advocate for a change. It's so sad. We all should bow down our heads in shame. So sad. America, we move a region there. A crowd people abroad 79 years old, professional.
Framantem.
Na komu to gbe yi ti ti azi.
Abla some drink out.
Message bi aba. MP. I say mamu I say on the issue of Olasbo na Sema Wokano. You sound very suspicious. Until we are ready for next year.
No,
just say I had about 2 did that come now.
Me need the ho or pebema. Miss Wendy the ho man one. What the last about 21.